So what is this all about?
This is an agriculture drone with the DGCS approval. That is a 10 liters capacity drones. We also manufacture drones for different sectors also. We work with DRDO, Cochin Shipyard and NPOL. And particularly, this drone will help the farmers in terms of spraying and identifying the pest issues, nutrient deficiencies in the field, and it will act accordingly. So farmers need not to spray the foliar application in the whole area.
So how it will replace traditional farming?
In the last 4 years, we worked with more than 10,000 farmers all across India. So in terms of reduction of agricultural input, so we help them to reduce agricultural input into 70%.
Okay.
And in terms of pollution also, we are using battery bank, not diesel. So that in that terms also they will get.
So how much is this cost effective? Like if any farmer is buying or something?
We are providing it's a 4.5 lakh rupees as a sales model. And if a farmer couldn't purchase this drone, we will provide as a service for an acre this much rupees. And we will design the return of investment as a 1 year product. Because if a farmer who purchases this drone, they will use it as for the other farmers field. So they will get the income from that also. That's a side income. So that will be more beneficial to them. And we convert the farmer to agri-entrepreneurs. So that's the scheme we are working.
Okay.
So they will get the ROI within 1 year.
Oh wow, that's great. Thank you so much, Devika. It was really nice meeting you and talking to you.
Thank you.